Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a super easy recipe, which is basic ingredients. And today our recipe is going to be salsa. So let's go ahead and get started. To begin with, we're going to take 3 large ripe tomatoes and chunk them up or dice them up. I'm using beefsteak tomatoes, but it doesn't really matter which kind you use as long as you have enough that equals 3 large ripe tomatoes. And I like the beefsteak tomatoes just because I like how juicy they are and how firm they are when cutting them. And I think they give it a really nice flavor. Next, we're going to take 1 medium red onion and dice it up really fine. But I only had 2 small ones, so that's fine too, as an equivalent to using 1 medium red onion. And after you get done dicing it up, add it into your bowl here. I'm using my clear Pyrex bowl. Now you can take 1 to 2 cloves of peeled garlic, smash it, and really mince it up in there so they can give it that nice fresh burst of flavor that you're looking for whenever you're wanting a Pico De Gallo or any kind of salsa that you're wanting to eat, which is perfect for summertime. After you get done mincing it up, add it into your bowl with your tomatoes and your onions, and we will get started on the next thing, which will be our cilantro. You're going to want to take it and kind of roll it up and cut it sideways so that it cuts into small pieces whenever you're going to add it into your tomatoes and onions. Just do easy sliding motions and it should cut just fine. And you want it to be little, but you don't want to crush it or wilt it. Next, you're going to take 1 jalapeno or 2 jalapenos, depending on how spicy you want your salsa. I only used 1. And you're going to take a spoon and take out the middle and the seeds. Now, I'm wearing gloves just because I don't like getting the spiciness in my eyes because I'm always rubbing my eyes. So that's a real good little hack right there, is to use gloves whenever you're cutting up spicy peppers. Next, we're going to chop it up real fine and mince it as well and add it in with your cilantro, tomatoes, and onions. And make sure you cut it up really good because you don't want a really big chunk unless you want a really big chunk when you're eating salsa because it might burn your mouth. But it gives it a nice sweet and savory flavor as well into the salsa. Next, we're going to roll our limes. I did wind up using 2 limes for this salsa amount, so just roll it to help it get the juices. Cut the sides off as close as you can to the middle, and then you can just squeeze that lime juice right into there. I learned that trick from Mr. Gordon Ramsay. Now you're going to add in fresh ground black pepper and some nice kosher salt to this and mix it up really good and let it set for a little bit. You can refrigerate it or whatever, or if you're like me and you can't wait, just eat it right away with some sour cream and some nice little scoop tortilla chips, and it's really good. And it'd be great for summer and any kind of parties that you may have. And it's also great for a midnight snack, low calorie and super delicious. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. And don't forget to subscribe and check out my TikTok and my Instagram. Until next time, guys. Bye now. And please leave a comment of what you like to put in your salsa. Bye.